Hello there. So I just want to give a short introduction on the new debugger in version 018 of Cerebral. And let me just do a refresh here. Okay, so let's just go through this. I'm using the Cerebral router, so it has been bound to a signal called all to-dos clicked, where we now can see that there's an action running here called set URL. And we can also see the inputs to that action. So you get a better overview of what an action actually has to work with in regards of inputs. And then we see the mutations as we did earlier. And if I go now and do changes here, it's the same stuff we see on the screen here. But if I hit enter now, we have a more complex signal running. And this signal, as we can see here, add to do, also gives an output. So we have an empty input, but the output has ref 0. And as we can see, that input is now available on the next action, and actually all the other actions running after it. What we can also see here now is that I'm no designer, so hopefully I will get some feedback on the UI here and we can make it even better. But what this thick line here on the left side indicates is that we're running asynchronous actions. So currently there's only one action, save to do, but there could be multiple actions attached to this thick line, meaning that they all trigger at the same time. What has been a change in Cerebral now is that it does not wait for all these parallel async actions to complete before running their paths. So each action will individually run their paths as they complete their asynchronous operation. And in this example, we see that we have a save to do, which is asynchronous, and it gets an input, and it runs a path that is success and passes this data to it. So now we can see that when success runs, it runs an update to do action, and the input is now both the ref and the ID. And it runs a state mutation, and the error path is not being run. So it indicates which path it actually did run. What we also can see here now, if I add another one and quickly scroll down, we can see that it was running, and after it was done, then we saw the rest of the information. So you can actually see these signals running live inside the debugger. I suppose that was the stuff I wanted to show you. Of course, you can still do time traversal, and everything works as normal, but we now have more information being displayed, and that is a good thing. Okay, thanks for listening.